Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Trello to automate card creation from emails step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Scroll down to the API Keys section. Click on Show API Key to reveal your unique Trello API key. Copy the API key and save it in a secure location for later use. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to your email provider. Access the Settings section of your email account. Look for an option related to creating apps or service accounts. Create a new app or service account that will be used to send emails to Trello. Once created, find the option to generate a client's secret or authentication token. Copy the client's secret or token, as you'll need it later. Return to Trello and create a new board for your automated card creation. In your new board, create a list where you want the cards to be added. Open a new tab and search for a third-party automation tool like Zapier. Sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Once inside the automation tool, click on Make a Zap to start a new automation. For the trigger app, choose your email provider. Select the trigger event, such as new email or new email matching search. Connect your email account following the provided instruction. Test your email trigger to ensure it works properly. Next, search for Trello as your action app. Choose the action event Create Card. Connect your Trello account using the API key you previously copied. In the Setup step, select the Trello board and list where the card should be created. Map the email fields to the Trello card fields, such as subject to card title and body to card description. Test this step to ensure it creates a card in Trello. Once the test is successful, name your automation for easy identification. Finally, turn on your automation to start creating Trello cards from incoming emails. You have now successfully authorized Trello for automating card creation from emails. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.